time, there was a family. The dad.
There you go.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Gather up. It's so amazing. Come see all these rare animals.
All these people gathering up.
Please
Wow,
come
wow,
back.
wow.
No. Ha ha. You got spiders.